We had a string of beautiful weather. Honestly, you couldn't ask for better weather Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and now Friday. And we've got big changes on the way, unfortunately, for your weekend. Not only on Sunday, when I'm looking at the threat of severe weather, but even tonight, we have a cold front approaching from the northwest, and that's going to bring us some rain early Saturday morning. So let me show you the setup. We're going to start with what we're going to see tonight through tomorrow morning, and then we'll get into that severe potential on Sunday. That cold front you see to our northwest over northwestern Tennessee, you see that rain along the front. That is the front that is going to move south overnight tonight through tomorrow morning. Now, although it does have rain with it right now, a lot of that rain is going to fizzle as it moves through northwestern Georgia. As a result, not going to be a big rainmaker for us, but it will bring us some rain. For tonight, we'll be dry from here through midnight. After midnight, we'll start to see some showers, about a 30% chance of rain after midnight because of the clouds, because certainly we'll see mostly cloudy skies as that front approaches, not nearly as chilly. Last night, temperatures dropped to the upper 40s, the low was 47. We're going to be about 11 degrees warmer than that as we drop to 58 degrees tonight. So here's that front. Watch what happens as it approaches northwestern Georgia. There's some rain with it. Then after about 2 a.m. as it moves on through, it just kind of fizzles. Most of the rain will be in northwestern Georgia. By the time it makes its way into the metro, it will be very spotty, but just want to let you know some rain is possible early tomorrow morning from the overnight hours until about 10 a.m. Then the rest of tomorrow will be gorgeous. We'll see decreasing clouds and sunshine as we get up to 72 degrees. Things are nice Sunday or Saturday afternoon, but then look what happens Sunday into Monday. Major chances of rain Sunday, especially afternoon and evening, and that continues through Monday morning. And not only are we looking at rain, we're looking at severe storms across the entire southeastern United States. This system, very similar to last week's, but it's not going to be nearly as strong. You may remember last week we had a level 4 risk of severe weather across West Georgia. Nobody under a level 4 risk of severe weather. So we're not going to see as strong as storms, and they're not going to be as widespread. But areas along I-20 into the south have the highest risk of seeing severe weather. We're looking at flooding as a risk. In fact, 3 inches of rain or more in some areas just between Sunday night into Monday morning. Strong damaging winds, some higher than 70 miles an hour, and tornadoes are possible. I'm not expecting 20 tornadoes like we had last weekend, but certainly a couple tornadoes possible. Here's the timing of the rain. Sunday morning, we are not unstable enough to produce any severe weather. So we will see some rain Sunday morning, but it will not be severe. It's not until Sunday afternoon. The first round of severe storms between 4 and 8 p.m. These are going to be more isolated, but after midnight, that line is going to be broken, but it is going to be more well-defined as it moves through the metro area around 1 o'clock in Atlanta. By about 5, it's out of here. So again, the timing eerily similar to the system we had last week. Rainfall totals are going to be high, but so is that instability as we head into the late day. I want to show you this tornado index. This shows us the instability in the air. Notice through Sunday during the morning, I don't expect any tornadoes. As we approach after 4 p.m., watch how this area in green starts to rise further north and we start to see some yellows. Now, if you were watching us last week, you'll notice that we had a lot of reds and even pinks in there. So we're not nearly as unstable this weekend as we were last weekend. But notice how most of the activity here right along I-20 and south, that is where we are the most unstable. And that is when we could see some tornadoes, primarily in the late evening and overnight hours. That rain comes to an end around 5 a.m. Monday morning. Then we get a break. But unfortunately, more severe storms on Thursday possible. So we're looking at 2 rounds of possible severe weather over the next 7 days. The first one is on Sunday, and we will be in storm mode on Sunday to prepare you as the storms roll in.
Thank you.